Hey everyone, it's Alicia here, and I am doing this video as a request on the bobbin meter. I realize that I'll make videos and then as time goes on, they get further and further down the page. So rather than having you guys try to find them, it's like finding a needle in a haystack, I just figured from time to time we can redo the videos, especially since we're going through each machine. It's really no big deal. So we're getting ready to check the bobbin on the 57 that we've been working on. And so this is the bobbin tension meter that you can purchase from the Featherweight shop, and we find it really handy. So this little guy actually has a line here that marks where this little dial should line up on. So you'll hold this like this, and as you see, the dial starts straight across, and then you're going to attach the thread to the bobbin case on this little clip, and as you pull down, you're going to get that arrow on that line. So I went ahead and made a small knot on the end of my bobbin case, and then we're going to attach it to that clip. But first I wanted to just show you there are two screws at the top of the bobbin case. And when you're holding this bobbin case like this, so the bobbin portion is towards you, and you're looking at these two screws from the upper position, the screw to the left, you generally kind of want to leave that one alone. We really haven't had to tighten or loosen that one. But the screw to the right, you're going to either loosen or tighten it depending on the reading on this bobbin tension meter. So like for example, let's say that the tension is really loose. Like let's just say that the arrow is like way up here. What you'll want to do is you're going to want to turn that screw, this one right here, make sure I'm pointing to the right thing, that one right there, you're going to want to turn it to tighten it. Let's say that the bobbin tension arrow is down here, it's too tight, then you're going to do that same screw and you're going to want to loosen it. So we're just going to attach this little guy here, and I think the bobbin tension meter, if I'm not mistaken, is about $8 from the Featherweight shop. And so you don't want to place your fingers on the actual bobbin case, because if you do that, that will also create more or less tension on there. So we hold it on the little flap here, and then on this little bridge looking metal portion there. So we hold it just like that, and we're just going to pull down and see where that's at. So that's actually, it's kind of bouncing around. It looks like it's a little bit on the tighter side. So then what we can just do is take our little screwdriver here and just kind of loosen it. You don't want to crank it super de-duper, just small little micrometers almost to loosen or tighten it. It doesn't take much. So I'm actually going to hold this towards me so I can kind of see. That's a little better. This bobbin's a little bit on the jumpy side, so sometimes they seem to get like that. I don't know if it's just the bobbin cases themselves. Some of them are like that, some of them aren't. And now what we'll end up doing is placing it, and that will be the real test, is placing it in the machine and doing a few stitches. So we're going to go ahead and set the stitches and hopefully get this machine up and sewing. So thank you so much for watching.